Hello there! Today I want to share something important about foods that can improve your eyes and your vision. We often pay a lot of attention to what benefits the livers, the intestines, weight loss, and the brain, but we tend to overlook our eyes. This topic is rarely discussed, so I want to tell you about strategies and tools to take care of your eyes, which allow us to enjoy the world in front of us. Some of the questions you might have are, how can we protect them? What can we do to care for our overall visual health? In this discussion, I'm going to focus on specifically nutrition, and I'm also going to answer these questions. But before we talk about nutrition, let's talk first about illumination, the power that different light colors have on our eyes. In the modern world, many factors like blue lights from screens, cell phones, and even white light bulbs we mistakenly bring into our homes and offices contribute to our eye strain and inflammation. You need to understand that it's necessary to avoid using light bulbs with color temperature above 3000 Kelvin. Blue light exposure generates oxidative stress and inflammation, which can lead to tired eyes and accumulation of this inflammation. Excessive screen use, prolonged driving, and wearing eye makeup can also introduce microparticles into the eyes that contribute to chronic inflammation and eye fatigue. Incorrect lens prescriptions can also strain your eyes. For instance, when I was 16, I didn't realize I needed glasses until I tried a pair on and realized how the world was in full HD with them on. Many people might experience something similar, and it's not always genetical. Certain conditions like diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, excessive UV light exposure, which means you're excessively exposing yourself to the sun, smoking, lack of physical activity, and sedentary lifestyles can directly or indirectly affect your eye health. To address these, one of the key pillars I emphasize is nutrition. Foods rich in beta-carotene like carrots are often recommended for eye health due to their lutein content. Carrots can help protect against macular degeneration and night blindness. Night blindness is when you take a long time to adjust your vision to the dark, such as in a movie theater when the lights go out. This is often linked to a deficiency in beta-carotenes. Carotenoids like lutein, synandroxine, found in supplements, play an antioxidant role, particularly preventing macular degeneration. The macula, which is a part of the retina responsible for detailed vision, requires these nutrients to maintain its health. Green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale are high in lutein and zeaxanthin, as well as folate, which help repair DNA damage in tissues. Folate is crucial for cellular repair processes, detoxification in the liver, and tissue renewal, including in the eyes. Other beneficial foods include sweet potatoes rich in carotenoids, which help prevent macular degeneration and dry eyes. Seeds high in omega-3, like flaxseed and chia, also contain vitamin E, which supports eye health. Additionally, herbs like ginkgo biloba, known for cardiovascular benefits, may protect retinal cells. Saffron, which is an antioxidant, can help also with oxidative stress and improve blood flow. Although more research is needed, these nutrients show a lot of promise in protecting your eyes. We must also ensure that our diet includes foods rich in lutein, such as parsley, thyme, kale, sage, spinach, and broccoli, to protect against macular degeneration. This condition is more common than you might think and significantly impacts people's lives. Furthermore, vitamins and antioxidants like vitamin A, which is the carotenoids, vitamin C, and vitamin E, are essential for protecting against oxidative damage. Zinc plays a specific role in retinal metabolism and is crucial for preventing macular degeneration. Omega-3 fatty acids from animal sources, providing APA and DHA, are necessary for retinal health and have anti-inflammatory and cardiovascular benefits. Selenium, which is another critical compound, has antioxidant properties and is essential for eye health, addressing metabolic factors and maintaining a balanced diet. Selenium, zinc, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin A, and omega-3s are crucial for your eye health. It's important to incorporate other good habits into your daily routine to maintain your eye health. For instance, using protective lenses can help reduce harmful effects of blue light from screens and white light. These are lenses which are available that filter out 35 to 40% of blue light and appear normal without the orange tint that some people find bothersome. These can be particularly useful for those who spend a lot of time on computers and cell phones. Make sure to regularly clean your eyes and use eye drops if you work in dusty environments. If you work a lot in computers, taking breaks and looking away from the screen and focusing on distant objects can help prevent eye strain. Exercises that involve moving your eyes in different locations can also be very beneficial. Moreover, maintaining overall health through regular exercise, controlling blood pressure, avoiding smoking and limiting alcohol consumption supports eye health. Exercise enhances metabolism, circulation and glucose balance, all of which are important for preventing diabetic eye diseases and leading causes of blindness globally. Adequate sleep, stress management, and hydration are also key factors. Limiting unnecessary screen time, especially before bed, can help improve sleep quality and reduce eye strain. Lastly, this information needs to be shared with other people. Spreading awareness about the importance of eye health and the role of nutrition can help others take better care of their eyes. Supporting a community of informed individuals is beneficial for everyone's well-being. Now, I thank you very much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. This way, you will be the first to know when we release new videos. Until next time, and take care of your eyes. Bye-bye!